northeastern Wisconsin, southwestern Kenosha County, and southeastern Wisconsin until 10 p.m. At 9:23 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fontana on Geneva Lake to near Lake Catherine, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lake Geneva, Twin Lakes, Paddock Lake, Williams Bay, Camp Lake, Genoa City, Silver Lake, Richmond, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Powers Lake, Hell Lake, Lake Catherine, Salem, Bristol, Bassett, New Munster, Slade's Corners, and Delavan Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.